Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man Across the Universe Next Chapter 1s. That kind of like sound like really long, but I'm like really excited because I was able to get them on the shock drop and they came like super fast. I got great size. I got a 5.5. I don't know why I got 5.5. I think I was just moving too fast because I was just like, damn, I'm trying to get these shoes. So I got 5.5. They fit, but they just like a little big. But let's get into it. Let's get into our unboxing because we have a lot to say about these shoes. Unbox hello paper. Alright, so this is what our shoe is giving. I know like in my last couple videos, y'all have seen me like have both pairs of like strings, if the shoe comes with two strings, two shoelaces, but they didn't come with shoelaces, they just came with black, but that is okay. Originally when I got these shoes, I was thinking I was gonna sell them, but then when I opened the box and I looked at them and I tried them on, I'm like, the details are way too fire to just sell these. Like, this is definitely a collectible shoe. I probably won't wear it as much. I'll probably wear it once because I really like it will go up in value, but yeah, I'm really fucking with these shoes. Like, I'm really feeling them. So I just kind of want to get into it because we got a lot going on. So our toe box is white leather, and then our toe cap is red leather, and it goes all the way until it's just so many textures. So then around our toe cap is not all, like, it's just interesting. Our toe cap is not all the way red all the way around. So like on this side it's all the way red, and then you go to this side and you get this red suede that I love. Then you have like this kind of like oil canvas color that leads us to our eyelids, which is just like a patent leather. We have black laces like I mentioned, and then like our tongue is like an off-white, it looks like an off-white pinkish, and our eyelids are different on each side. So like right here we have that oil canvas, and then we have like, this is like a print from like Spider-Man comics, and then on the other side you have that patent leather and another print from the Spider-Man like comics. Then you go up, like it's just a lot of detail that I like that pay homage to the Spider-Man in its entirety. And so our Nike Air tag is bigger than normal, but I like it. It's so cute. It's just red with white Nike Air writing. And then we get to our midsole. Our midsole is just like a cream color. Our outsole is this vibrant red. I'm really liking this vibrant red. A lot of people were saying that they glow in the dark, but mine don't glow in the dark. I don't know what happened, but they don't glow in the dark, but I really like this vibrant red. Next to the back of the shoe, we still have that, this is like a whole different type of material, but it's red. We have that oil canvas like material, then we have suede. Then our ankle collar, we have our black Nike swoosh that's just patent leather, and it's like iridescent, which is cool. And then the collar is also black iridescent as well, and the lining is black. Like I said, there's so many details that make up this shoe. That's why I'm really keeping it, because it pays so much homage to Spider-Man. And I used to watch Spider-Man growing up. I used to play a Spider-Man game. I don't know if I remember, there was this game and he would be doing like missions, and then you hear a kid say, oh no, and then they would lose their balloon, and then you gotta jump to get the balloon. But like, I used to play a game with my brother, so really that's kind of the reason I'm keeping them too. It just kind of reminds me of my childhood. But y'all, I really like this shoe. Like, I guess my favorite part of the shoe is the different textures and the different prints. Like, that's fire. Like, that's hard. Like, the heel being like 3 different materials, like wow. And then the iridescent swoosh and like collar. Like, this is really nice. And I really like that it only came with black laces. I don't really see any other color laces being able to neutralize the shoe because it has so much going on. So I really like that. So I'm gonna put these shoes on my feet so we can see what it's giving. Okay, so now that we tried them on foot, I just want to tell y'all my likes about this shoe. Like I said, I really like everything, but I really like how they pay homage to Spider-Man and all the textures. Like, I love this suede texture, and I love this oil canvas look. And One thing I really like is how the tag looks on the tongue. I like that it's bigger than normal for some reason. Like, it really reminds me of the Bread ones. Like, I love it. Like, this University Red, I just like to play on red in different textures. Like, in the outsole, like this outsole go crazy for real. Like, wow. I will say the only thing I'm upset about is that I didn't get 5. Like I said, I was moving too fast. And secondly, I thought my shoes was gonna go in the dark, and they don't, but it's cool. Like, I'm not tripping because this is a really dope shoe. And another, it's releasing again in like the 20s of May, like May 20th or 24th. I'll put it in the description what day for short. But like, if you have a chance to get these shoes, definitely cop them because they look so nice and they feel good too. And they're just so creative. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, the Air Jordan Wing logo is like red, yellow, and white, and it's like overlapping, kind of like some 3D types, like, you know, type of vibe. That's really hard. Like, let me go ahead and, like, what? Like, what? Let's give it a buck. Fire. Fire. This is a 10 out of 10 shoe, and if you go get this shoe, I'm really recommending this shoe. Like, I really like it. This might be, I thought the wash pink was my favorite Jordan 1 of the year. These might be like, and I said, I didn't even expect to like them like this. I opened that box and I said, oh my God, the textures, the material, the design, the structure, everything on this shoe is amazing. So I definitely say go get this shoe. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, TikTok, Daesiaxo. I posted a video on my TikTok and my Instagram of some up close details of the shoe. But watch this video before you buy these because I think I'm gonna sell y'all on buying these. But yeah, stay tuned and thanks for watching.